When investing in bow windows, most homeowners focus on style, size, and materials. But one of the most important factors in how those windows perform is professional installation. In Washington, where homes experience a mix of seasonal weather conditions, proper installation plays a critical role in ensuring your bow windows deliver long-term comfort, efficiency, and durability. Bow windows are uniquely designed with multiple panels that extend outward in a curved shape, creating both visual appeal and additional interior space. Because of this structure, they require precise measurements and expert handling during installation. Even small errors can impact how well the windows function, making professional installation essential. One of the most important ways installation affects performance is through energy efficiency. Bow windows include several connected units, which means there are more seams and joints compared to standard windows. If these areas are not properly sealed, air leaks can occur. In Washington, this can lead to drafts during colder months and heat intrusion during warmer periods, causing your HVAC system to work harder. Professional installers ensure tight seals and proper insulation, helping maintain a consistent indoor temperature and reducing energy costs. Weather resistance is another key factor. Washington's climate can include rain, wind, and fluctuating temperatures, all of which can put stress on poorly installed windows. Without proper flashing and sealing techniques, moisture can seep into the window frame and surrounding walls. Over time, this can lead to water damage, mold growth, and structural issues. Professional installation helps prevent these problems by creating a secure barrier that keeps the elements outside where they belong. Structural support is especially important for bow windows. Because they project outward from your home, they require additional reinforcement to ensure stability. Improper installation can lead to sagging or shifting over time, which not only affects appearance but also compromises functionality. Experienced installers understand how to properly support the weight of the window unit, ensuring it remains secure and level for years to come. Another area where professional installation makes a difference is in window operation. Bow windows often include a combination of fixed and operable panels. If the installation is not precise, these operable sections may become difficult to open or close. This can reduce ventilation and convenience. A professional installer ensures that all components are aligned correctly, allowing for smooth, effortless operation. Aesthetic appeal is also closely tied to installation quality. Bow windows are often a focal point of a home, both inside and out. Poor installation can result in uneven lines, visible gaps, or misaligned panels, which detract from the overall look. In contrast, professional installation ensures a clean, polished finish that enhances your home's curb appeal and interior design. Insulation around the window frame is another critical detail. Properly installed bow windows include high-quality insulation materials that fill any gaps between the window and the wall. This added layer of protection improves thermal performance and helps reduce outside noise. In a busy area of Washington, this can contribute to a quieter, more comfortable indoor environment. Long-term durability is also influenced by how well your windows are installed. Even high-quality bow windows can fail prematurely if they are not installed correctly. Issues like frame warping, seal failure, or hardware problems often stem from improper installation rather than the product itself. By choosing professional installation, you protect your investment and extend the lifespan of your windows. Safety and security are additional considerations. A properly installed bow window fits securely within the structure of your home, reducing the risk of forced entry or accidental damage. Installers ensure that locks, frames, and supports are all functioning as intended, giving you added peace of mind. Ultimately, professional installation is what allows your bow windows to perform at their best. It ensures energy efficiency, protects against weather damage, supports structural integrity, and enhances both appearance and usability. For homeowners in Washington, investing in expert installation is just as important as choosing the right windows. With the right team handling the job, your bow windows will not only look beautiful but also deliver reliable performance and comfort for years to come.